Hey guys, I'm going to discuss this simple PHP point of sale system. So here we have a date and the time, and then here this is where we show the order items and then the total amount, and we have the checkout button. So here we have the search feature, and then here we have the list of products that we sell and the name and the prices. So these products are managed inside our inventory management system. So here in the view products section, or the product management section, as you can see, these are the products that we display in this POS system. So first is we have this feature that in which we can search for product, then we can select or add that to our cart. So as you can see, without the page reloading, it pulls the data from our database and we can click and select the product. So we have also this error handler once the current stock is greater than the number the user selected. So here we can also select product inside. Then if there's no stock, it will return the error. So here let's try this one. So here we have the different orders to our cart, the quantity, the amount. Then here we have the total amount. So let's add more. 28. Let's So as you can see here, we can also see the current stock of the product. Let's just add 12, and as you can see, the data has been updated. Now let's go to the checkout. So here we can review the items we selected, and then here the same data, the amount or quantity, the product name, and then here we have the total amount. And this section, this is where we enter the amount of the customer, and we can also capture the different customer details. So you can also add more info about the customers, contact or other information we can store or might be helpful for the system. And then I'm going to click the checkout. Here it will show the success message, and then we can also print the receipt of the orders. So here we have the details about the company or the system, and then here the order details, we have the receipt number, the date, the customer details, and then the different items and the price amount we have. So here I'm going to explain the different error handlers. So if we enter select an amount that is greater than the current quantity, it will return the error. So, and also here if we select product that is out of quantity, we can, or it will show this error. So here let's just try this one. If we just enter 17, and as you can see, if we check out to the same details, we also have this one. So if we don't enter an amount, it won't check out. So here let's just add the customer information. Here on so again, you can add your own fields here. Click the checkout, and then as you can see, these are the receipt of the order. So you can print that one. So going back to our system, so this is the PHP MyAdmin or the database. So we have the customers table. So as you can see, the info save. Then here the sales table. As you can see, these are the recent orders we just made, and then the sales item. So here are the list of order items, and for the product it is linked to our, so this one it's from our different database, from the products table of the inventory database. Now I'm going to show you the entity relationship diagram of the system. So here we have the sales. This is the table. It has the customer ID as the foreign key, and also we have this table for customer, and then also the user ID, which is from our users table. And as you can see here, the sales has or belongs or has many sales items. So quantity, product ID, and the product ID, which is from our inventory system or the inventory database, which is the products table. So basically that's the simple ERD of our system. So here's a demo, so just in case we need to add a new product to sell or in our system. So in our inventory system, let's go to add product and write the info of the product here. So let's try this one. Set the price, just do a dummy description and select image and the supplier. So let's create the product, and as you can see, if we view the products, so we have here the product that we just created. So since we have 0 stocks, what we're going to do now is make a purchase order. So let's create a new order, and then here let's add another product, Toblerone chocolate. Let's order quantity of 32 and submit the order. And then just an example, let's see, there's already deliveries of the product, or the ordered items has been delivered. So let's just update the quantity delivered and then set this one to complete. So now if I'm going to view the product, we have the stock set to 32. So going back to our POS, if we refresh and if we scroll below, as you can see, the product has been added. Now if we search and then select this one, so as you can see, all are working properly. So let's do a quick checkout. Let's enter the amount, and then here enter the details of the customer, and then checkout. And as you can see here, we have successfully placed an order. Now if we go to our inventory system, view the product, as you can see, the stock is also set to 0. So basically that's it, and thank you.